Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. In this session, we are going to combine the data from multiple worksheets of Excel. To watch this session, I will recommend to watch the previous session. In that session, we have seen how we can split the Excel data in multiple tabs. So guys, this is my Excel where I have multiple sheet, which is New York, New Jersey, Washington, and so on. So these Excel tab, I want in single spreadsheet. Okay, so let's go to the Jupyter notebook and we'll see how we can do it. So guys, first of all, I need to import the library, which is pandas, right? So now let me call that particular Excel. So file name, which is splitted raw data Excel, right? So guys, this is my file I have saved in my current working directory. Okay. So now the question is how we can print all the sheet name, right? These are the sheet name I want to print. Okay. So how can I print all the sheet names? Simple PD, which is Excel file. And here I'm going to call the file name, right? And what I want sheet name. Okay, so it has to be sheet names. So guys, these are the spreadsheet from this particular workbook. Okay. And now guys, I'm going to tell you the another method to get the worksheet name. So simple, you can use here the list pd.read excel, and here you can define the file name and you need to call the none keyword, right? And after that, you need to type here the keys. So guys, these are the tabs. So you can use any of the method, right? So using the PD Excel file and file name dot sheet name, we can get the all the spreadsheet. And using this statement also, we can get the all the spreadsheet. Now the question is how we can combine all the spreadsheet into a single worksheet. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to create a template, which is writer equal to PD dot Excel writer. And here I'm going to define a name, which is combined data.excelSX. And here I'm going to define engine, which is XLSX writer. Fine. And now I'm going to taking a variable, which is combined data, which is pd.data frame. Okay. So this combined data is nothing, is a data frame, or you can say that it is a blank data frame. Now I'm going to define a loop over this spreadsheet, right? So simple for SST. So SST means sheet in pd dot excel file, and here I'm going to calling the file name, which is file name and sheet names. Now let me print all the sheet. So guys, here what I'm doing, I'm going to read these particular Excel spreadsheet data, right? And after that New Jersey and so on. Okay. So simple df equal to pd dot read excel, and here first of all you need to define the file name, and after that you need to define the sheet name, which sheet you want to read, right? So for an example, SST. Now I'm taking a variable which is combined data, this one equal to combined data, and I want to append all the data, right? df. So guys, at the initial stage my combined data will be blank. Okay, so this is the particular data frame, so that data frame will be blank. When I'm going to read the first spreadsheet data, then I will store that data into the df, then I will append that particular data in blank data frame, which is combined data, right? And on the next iteration I will read this data, which is New Jersey. So this combined data already have this New York, and the next iteration it will append the data New Jersey in the combined data, and this process will continue until the last sheet, right? Now what we can do here, so combine data, which is to Excel, and here we can use writer and sheet name equal to, you can define the sheet name, which is all data, and I don't want index, right? So I'm going to use here index equal to false, and after that I'm using the writer dot save. Okay, so let me run this. So guys, now you can see here I have successfully run this particular cell. Now let me go to the combined data. So you can see here I have the combined data. So guys, now you can see here I have combined all the spreadsheet data into a single spreadsheet, and these are the location. Fine. So guys, now you can see here in the couple of line we have combined the data from multiple spreadsheet. Okay, so guys, I hope you understood how we can combine the data from multiple worksheet. So do practice of this session as much as you can. Thanks for watching and have a great day.